www.thephonedoctor.co.uk. We operate a 24/7 repair service. For instant quote, check us out. All contents for entertainment purpose only. Watch and use at your own risk. Hi, this is the Phone Doctor. We've got an S3 charging block replacement repair. At this stage, this is an advanced stage. Removing your charging block and replacing it with a new one. If I need to show you how to get into an S3, you shouldn't be doing this repair. So with a blow heat the charging block underneath, make sure it's set firm, flux it up well, use the right flux so the solder will just run into the charging block. We the Phone Doctor, we repair all mobile phone charging block faults. This is a quick tutorial. Problem with microchargers, they're made well, but people turn them around the wrong way and try to force them in and damage the outer pins. And then when they don't charge, what they start to do then is force the charging up and down, which damages the charging pins which is on your logic board. So as you can see, I'm just getting that right, getting it nice level, nice and flush, heat nice and well. I've laid that down. So now I've moved it onto my bench, which now what I'll do, I'll run the soldering iron just over the legs to make sure the legs are well flushed. Put some more flux on the charging legs. Charging block closer to the camera. Like there. Just clean that up. Now just make sure there's no flux left into the legs. flux remover, some spray, just clean that up nicely. So now what I'll do, I'll just put more solder in there now to just flush off the bottom. Make sure I've got the legs nicely done. So on the opposite side now, what I do, put some more flux on there. And the main hole of the legs now, what I'll do there now, I'll just flux that up, put some more solder in there, make sure the soldering block or port, which is known as, is well secured. We're a postal service repair group. That means you just go on our website, post the phone out to repair it, send it back to you. I'll just clean that up now. That's done now, so I'll just put that on its main frame. Clip it under its flex, its volume flex. Volume flex there. So there, you just put your aerial connector onto the logic board. This you just take your time and do. As I said to you, this tutorial is just for charging port only. I just clicked onto my proximity sensor, my volume, my screen. I'll just put the battery in that. And show you that it's charging. And there you are. That's the phone, Doctor. Thank you for watching us.